What's the meaning of bashing? Bashing. Bashing.
Bashing. Bashing. The word bashing refers to the act of verbally attacking or criticizing someone or something, usually in a harsh and unfair manner. This can be done publicly or privately, in person or online. Bashing can take many forms, including personal attacks, belittling comments, spreading rumors or false information, and general negative criticism. It often occurs when people feel strongly about a topic or have strong opinions that clash with others. While constructive criticism and debate can be healthy, bashing serves no real purpose other than to spread negativity and hurtful language, making it important to approach disagreements with civility and respect.